Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about 10 human psychological facts. Without any delay, let's move to the video now. The best person in your life is the one who comes to your mind first as you read this. Human brain can forget about some past memories of them when they're affected on that situation. Usually, men are more possessive while women are more jealous. Smart people can't happy easily. Usually it happens. Women can read the lip sync better than men, so be careful. The human brain is 60% of fat, but still it works hard. We have to think about this. People can talk more emotionally in chat compared to call. Clever people are more successful than intelligent ones. People who lose their cell phone experience panic attacks similar to the near-death experience. At the age of 16, 80% of the people have already met their life partner who will be married in future. So if you guys are enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel by clicking below and also like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching. See you on next video soon. Thank you.